technology employed. An NGN converges the service provider networks including the public switch telephone network, data network, and wireless network. It offers a high-quality end-user experience. NGN offers several advantages. In unified messaging, it supports the transmission of voicemail, email, fax mail, and pages through common interfaces. In data connectivity, it offers many value-added services such as bandwidth on demand, durable switch virtual connections, call admission control, etc. In voice telephony, it supports all traditional telephony services besides focusing on the most marketable voice telephony features. Transmission system used. Trunk line. Nets will be using a single-mode fibers as the main trunk in linking the cabinets in the municipality to the central office. This cable allows the network system to transmit single file of light through single strand. Usually, single-mode fiber comes in a 9 microns diameter that supports gigabit Ethernet data transfer in up to 10 kilometers in distance. The very best advantage given by this certain cable is greater bandwidth capacity delivered by this cable. The single entry mode offered by SMF also limits the dispersion of light, so it could eliminate the data waste as well as increase the speeds of data transmission. Feeder line. Nets utilizes a number of pairs of coaxial drop wire cable in connecting the cabinet to DP. This is done so because optical fibers are not yet practical to use in connecting home users. Redundancy and diversity. As a practical approach for redundancies and diversity, Nets uses 2 fiber optic trunks connecting with other telephone providers. This is the diagram which shows the links of Nets to PLDT in Muñoz City and Cabanatuan City. Megaco. Signaling is defined as the exchange of information between call components required and maintain service. Megaco, the Media Gateway Control Protocol, is for control of elements in a physically decomposed multimedia gateway, which enables separation of call control from media conversion. Megaco addresses the relationship between the media gateway, which converts circuit switch voice to packet-based traffic, and the media gateway controller. This diagram shows the dimension of a manhole for a telephone system. It will be buried 2 feet below the ground and have a height and width of 3 feet and length of 4 feet. Conduits. Conduits are used for encapsulating bundles of cable that are buried below the ground. Subscriber loop design. Dedicated plant. It eliminates the use of bridge tops and deteriorate the quality of transmission through increased loop capacitance by assigning dedicated wire pairs to subscribers. There are subscribers that will be directly fed through copper cable. There will be dedicated lines for each subscriber. In direct feed system, copper from central office will be directed to the distribution point. For areas that are far from the central office, we use fiber optic cable to reduce cost and to attain high efficiency. From central office, the fiber optic cable will be directed to AG cabinets, and from AG cabinets to distribution points. The media will be used is copper cable. This figure shows the junction cable plant layout. From the distribution point, a drop wire will be connected to a junction box for each subscriber. From junction box, it will go through a connection block or CBK. And if the subscriber applies an internet connection and a telephone, a splitter will be used after the connection block. Office codes. A telephone numbering plan is a form of numbering scheme used in telecommunications to deal telephone numbers for subscribers and to route the telephone calls in a telephone network. 140 for the billing inquiry, 141 for the customer service, and 142 for the repair service. Dialing procedure. Telephone numbers in the Philippines follow an open telephone numbering plan and an open dial plan. Both plans are regulated by National Telecommunications Commission, a body under the Department of Transportation and Communications as an attached agency. Nets use the following numbering plan. For domestic calls, the subscribers have to dial 0 plus area code plus phone number. For international calls, 00 plus country code plus area code plus the phone number. The subscriber can reach the central office with the hotline number 466. The subscriber will bear the number 044-XXX-XXXX. On the direct feed lines, there will be 4 lines. On the first line, there will be 15 distribution points that is located on Poblacion. On the second line, there will be also 15 distribution points that is also located on Poblacion and Poblacion West. On the third line, there will be 9 distribution points that is located on Barangay San Gregorio. And on the line 4, there will be 12 distribution points that is located on Barangay Poblacion Sur. In fiber optic system, there will be 4 AG cabinets. The first cabinet consists of 7 distribution points that is located at the hub of Barangay Aglipay and Barangay Poblacion Sur. On the second cabinet, there will be 10 distribution points that is located on the other half of Barangay Aglipay. On the third cabinet, there will be 8 distribution points that is located on Barangay Bicos. And on the last cabinet, there will be 10 distribution points that is located on Barangay Agbanawag and Barangay Pag-asa. The table shows the plans that we offer that includes telephone and internet service. Plan 799 will be the lowest plan that we offer, and the plan 3000 is the most expensive plan. Upon the subscriber's application, there will be a 1,000 pesos installation fee and this includes drop wire of 30 meter. The table shows the work plan schedule of this project design. On the first to second month is the building preparation. Pole hardware installation will begin on the second month until the fourth month, together with the trunk cabling, feeder distribution, and installation of passive and active devices. Drop wire will begin after 4 months. On the 6th month, test and commissioning will begin. The table shows the project breakdown of expenses for the said project. The organizational cost that consists of permits and other documents will cost 105,000. The building will cost 5 million pesos. The asset acquisition cost that consists of technical equipments, office furnitures, business vehicles, manpower or service charge, and other expenses. This project will cost with a total of 12,952,291 pesos. Based on the break-even analysis, the investments will return after 4 years, 6 months, and 29 days.